My name is Stephanie Carlson. I'm the operations director here at Solara Mental Health. So the reason that we reached out to Pollack was to be able to provide some training and really invest back in our staff. We wanted to provide them tools to be able to we work with a population of veterans. And so we chose to do a de-escalation training in order to help our 24-hour support staff really be able to just help the veterans and also help themselves in certain stressful situations was the main thing. The training that we had was very interactive. It provided a safe space for our staff to be able to really tell stories about actual events that have happened and then be able to interact with our trainer and with the other staff in the training to be able to get feedback or be able to get advice on how to handle the situation or a similar situation moving forward. Something that I really think that helped them and they were able to walk away with was it was a lot of acronyms used in the training. One of the biggest pieces was this acronym called RISK, and it was really looking at respect, identity, safety, and control. So what is our clients lacking, which is causing them to then become escalated, and what can we do better to be able to provide them that reassurance and aligning with them to really be able to help find a solution, not only just getting them to the end result of what we want, but making sure that they're feeling safe, we're feeling safe, and kind of what is that root cause of why they're reacting the way that they are. The program honestly exceeded my expectations. I think that being in a management position, I wish that I would have had this training years ago when I was in that direct support staff position. I think that it was very interactive. It was very open. There was a lot of information that we can take as a company and then use it ongoing. So it's not just information that kind of goes in one ear, out the other. It's something that we're going to take and use for the long haul. Working with Pollack was honestly one of the easiest experiences that we had. They were very responsive. Every email took very little time to respond. We were able to jump on video calls if we had questions. We were able to contact our trainer in between sessions if we had any questions or any feedback for them. So it was very easy to work with and would work with them again for sure. I would 100% recommend Pollack for companies looking for de-escalation training.